Tying all the neutrals together under one nut in a multiple wire branch circuit is an unsafe practice. It can lead to several problems. There are code violations as well as safety hazards. Firstly, NEC 300.3b states conductors entering a box, enclosure, or raceway shall not be dependent upon the box, enclosure, or raceway for support. When neutrals are bundled together under one nut, they are not properly supported within the junction box, violating this section. Secondly, NEC 314.16 specifies splices or taps shall be made only in junction boxes or enclosures. Tying all the neutrals under one nut might be considered a splice that isn't properly contained within an approved enclosure. Thirdly, NEC 404.9 addresses conductors shall not be grouped together into a bundle with individual wires impossible to distinguish. When multiple neutral conductors are bundled, identifying individual conductors becomes difficult, hindering troubleshooting and repair efforts. Beyond code violations, this practice creates significant safety hazards. If a circuit is locked out downstream, there is still a potential for voltage to be present in the neutrals under the nut due to the other live circuit in the run. This creates a shock hazard for anyone working on the locked out circuit. Ignoring these codes and safety practices can have severe consequences, including increased risk of electrical fires, safety hazards for electricians and users, potential for electrical violations and fines, and damage to equipment. The National Electrical Code provides clear guidance on proper neutral termination. The correct way to terminate neutrals is to firstly use a neutral bar or pigtail splices to connect the individual neutral conductors. Secondly, install the neutrals in a separate and accessible junction box, and thirdly, ground the junction box properly. When addressing resistance to change, especially from experienced electricians, it's crucial to approach the situation with clearer information and professionalism. You must present the code references. Show the electrician the specific NEC sections that prohibit their current practice. Providing a clear explanation of the safety hazards is essential. Demonstrate the potential for injury and explain how tying neutrals together creates a shock hazard. You should offer a proper and code-compliant solution, such as using a neutral bar or pigtails. Finally, it's important to document the conversation. Keep a record of your discussion and the electrician's response. If necessary, consult with a qualified supervisor or inspector. By understanding the code, explaining the hazards, and offering solutions, it's possible to improve safety and ensure compliance.